looking to boost your health effortlessly. Get ready to discover the superfood sensation that's taking the world by storm, chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a true nutritional powerhouse. Did you know that just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain more omega-3 fatty acids than a salmon? Yes, it's incredible but true. These little wonders are a rich source of protein, fiber, and omega-3s. They help maintain heart health, support digestion, promote weight management, and regulate blood sugar levels. Take heart health, for instance. Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for reducing the risk of heart disease and managing high cholesterol. Wondering how to add chia seeds to your diet? It's simple. Sprinkle them on your oatmeal, blend them into your smoothie, or toss them into your salad. Don't worry about the taste. They're pretty much flavorless and blend well into a variety of dishes. In a nutshell, chia seeds are a versatile ingredient that can significantly boost your health and well-being. So why wait? Start your journey towards a healthier tomorrow with chia seeds today. Remember to subscribe for more content.